Morning all, lovely day in Melbourne today. We're going to head into the city, we're going to park at the Crown Casino and then we're going to walk down South Bank past the Polly Woodside, head to DFO and do a bit of shopping, so come along for the ride. What are these Heineken boats, Mum?
I think it's 5. You're right.
That's not like a something off. Ships right there.
Oh, there it is, Mum. The Polly Woodside, the top of the Polly Woodside.
The mast.
The mast of the Polly Woodside.
Muggy.
So you go there on school trips, do you?
I did when I reckon I was probably about 10,
Do you know what it is, Henry?
but none of the convention centre or anything was here then.
I pantaloni da 10.
Oompa Loompa Band.
Oh, but it's a German restaurant. Just going there for a steak. What are you feeling like?
I don't know.
Did you like that? Alright, what are we going to do?
Be calling you.
G'day everyone, back again from Melbourne. Got this snazzy rip curl top from the outlet, pretty happy with that. Actually came out free as it was buy one get one free, so this is the freebie. Hope you've enjoyed everything we've done today. If you do, please give a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.